Satellite imagery has revealed the damage to the US Fifth Fleet headquarters in Bahrain following the Iranian strike, and this has shown the extent of damage. This is after the US and Israel launched strikes against Iran, and this was the retaliation. Remember, the US assets and various facilities in the Gulf regions has been targeted by Iran after the attack on Saturday, and we have seen a barrage of drones and missiles, and now the extent of damage that was done to the US Fifth Fleet headquarters in Bahrain. The extent of this damage now being revealed with this satellite imagery. Let's go across to Disha for more on this story. And Disha, we have seen since this attack on Saturday that Iran has been targeting various facilities and various US assets in the Gulf countries, including, and now this damage that was done to the US Fifth Fleet headquarters has been revealed.
Absolutely, Gargi. So what we're seeing in these latest satellite visuals, it really shows just how much damage was done to the US Fifth Fleet headquarters in Bahrain, and really brings up very important questions regarding how the US is going to defend its bases from these escalating Iranian strikes on various US bases, not just in Bahrain. We've been seeing across the Gulf nations who house US bases, how they have been trying to not retaliate but protect these bases from Iranian strikes. But now today we're seeing this fresh satellite visual and imagery which really shows how an entire area of the American base in Bahrain was struck, and you can see the crater that has formed there on one of the shelters there on the base in the US Fifth Fleet headquarters base in Bahrain, and it really brings up very important questions as to how America is going to defend its bases from Iranian strikes, because we do know that various American warships are currently deployed across the surrounding essentially Iran. But how they're going to defend themselves really is an important question, because we're seeing that while most of the Iranian strikes that have been taking place over the past couple of days have not been successful, have not created a lot of damage, but now as this conflict escalates and continues, we're seeing that Iranian strikes are able to pervade into the defense systems and essentially strike their targets, as we're seeing in that satellite visual from Bahrain.